Having fresh, youthful, and mirror-like skin is no longer a dream. If you need to renew your skin for any reason, here is your treatment. If you have wrinkles due to aging and need fresh, smooth skin. If you have stretch marks due to obesity and weight loss with pregnancy, and you have used every cream and did not get a response, here is your miraculous treatment. If your skin has many blemishes and old acne scars, and you are upset that you have dull skin and you want smooth, mirror-like skin, your solution is here. And finally, no woman or man likes to have dark underarms and private areas. I have brought you a recipe to make your private area and its surroundings white like snow with this recipe and enjoy life. You got it right. This amazing recipe is a beauty magic, and the cure for all skin problems lies in this recipe. Now let's get started. Welcome to the new friends who have joined the Healthy Lifestyle and Skin Routine channel. For this recipe, we need ginger, a piece of aloe vera, lemon, cloves, and most importantly, turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is an oil that is obtained by heating chicken skin. I will definitely prepare a video for you on how to make it. I recommend that you subscribe to the channel to save this content and get more beauty and health recipes. Unlimited access to a world of years of experience and information is possible for you, my dears, by subscribing to this channel. Let's go to the recipe. Cut the ginger into small pieces and completely peel the lemon we have. In this recipe, we only need the outer skin of the lemon. And the third ingredient is a piece of aloe vera, from which we drain the gel with a spoon and add it to the rest of the ingredients. Add 300 milliliters of yellow oil and heat it until the effect of the ingredients spreads in the oil. We leave it on low and gentle heat for 30 minutes. Have you had any experience using yellow oil? If you have any experience, please share it with us. I have some important advice for you. Since we need the lemon peel, we need to remove the paraffin that the seller used to extend the life of the lemon. To remove the paraffin, we wash the lemon peel with baking soda and prepare it for use in the recipe. I also need to give you a brief explanation of the ingredients in the recipe. I'll start with ginger. Ginger has several properties for the skin, including brightening, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and blood circulation stimulation. Ginger can also help reduce skin blemishes, wrinkles, and acne, and is effective in rejuvenating the skin. Ginger's properties for the skin: brightening. Ginger helps brighten and even out skin tone by stimulating blood circulation and reducing skin blemishes. Anti-inflammatory. Compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, reduce inflammation and redness of the skin and are beneficial for skin prone to acne or rosacea. Antioxidant. Antioxidants in ginger protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and prevent premature aging. Stimulates blood circulation. By improving blood circulation in the skin, ginger increases oxygenation and better nutrition of skin cells, thus helping to improve skin tone and vitality. Reduces skin blemishes. The antimicrobial and brightening properties of ginger help reduce spots caused by the sun, acne, and other factors. Skin rejuvenation. By stimulating collagen production, ginger increases skin elasticity and helps reduce wrinkles. Acne and pimple treatment. Ginger mask, with its antibacterial properties, helps cleanse the skin of Let me explain about aloe vera to explain the reason for the existence of this immortal plant. Aloe vera has countless properties for the skin. This plant helps heal burns and skin wounds by hydrating and moisturizing the skin, and its anti-inflammatory properties are also useful for reducing inflammation caused by acne and pimples. Aloe vera can also be effective in treating eczema, psoriasis, and reducing skin blemishes. Aloe vera properties for the skin: hydrating and moisturizing. Aloe vera gel deeply hydrates the skin due to its polysaccharides and is very beneficial for dry skin. Healing and repair. Helps heal burns, cuts, and skin wounds. Anti-inflammatory and soothing. Reduces inflammation caused by acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Reduces skin blemishes, helps lighten and reduce dark spots on the skin. Acne and pimple treatment. With its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps treat acne and pimples. Anti-wrinkle. Because it contains antioxidants such as vitamins A, C, and E, it may be effective in reducing skin wrinkles. Sunburn treatment. It is effective in soothing and healing sunburn due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Eczema treatment. Its moisturizing properties help relieve dryness and itching caused by eczema. Inflammation reduction. It is useful for reducing skin inflammation caused by various factors. Now you will understand how this recipe treats all skin problems, from aging and wrinkles to postpartum scars and weight loss and obesity and uneven skin, acne, eczema, psoriasis, and all types of warts and skin darkening. A part of my hand was burned and the area was very visible, which made me uncomfortable. Using aloe vera gel and using it continuously made the burn scar fade, and I see that it gets lighter after each use. Continuous use of aloe vera will make your skin attractive, fresh, and radiant. And yellow oil. In beauty recipes, yellow oil is called the golden oil of the skin because, due to its vitamins and essential fatty acids, shea butter has several properties for the skin. This oil can act as a natural moisturizer and make the skin soft and supple. Also, due to its antioxidant properties, it may be effective in lightening the skin and reducing dark spots, and help maintain healthy and youthful skin. Benefits of shea butter for the skin: moisturizing and hydrating. Shea butter is a natural moisturizer for the skin and relieves dry skin due to its vitamins A and E and essential fatty acids, 1,2, softening and emollient. This oil gives the skin softness and suppleness and can be used as a natural skin cream. Lightening and reducing blemishes. Shea butter, with its antioxidant properties, helps lighten the skin and reduce dark spots, and may also help activate collagen production, 4,12. Reduce wrinkles. Due to its hydrating and nourishing properties, yellow animal oil can help reduce wrinkles on the skin, 2,12. Skin rejuvenation. By improving blood circulation in the skin, this oil helps to keep the skin fresh and vibrant, helping to make the skin look younger. Reduce inflammation and irritation. Yellow animal oil can help reduce inflammation and irritation on the skin and is beneficial for sensitive skin. Protect against environmental damage. Due to the presence of antioxidants, this oil can protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and harmful rays of the sun, 2,11. Treat skin damage. Yellow animal oil can help repair skin damage caused by burns and wounds. Finally, crush a tablespoon of cloves with a small pestle and pour it into the container of the recipe ingredients and heat it until the effect of the ingredients is distributed. Keep in mind that yellow oil is the god of beauty, and a few other ingredients also have their effect in this oil. It becomes a balm of beauty, youth, and splendor, a miracle of radiant, smooth, and even skin. You will not see a single unevenness in the skin. You can massage this oil on your body every night. It is suitable for all skin types and treats all skin types and skin problems. First, all the ingredients that were on the heat should reach room temperature, and then with the help of a strainer, we separate the ingredients from the oil, but we do not throw away the pulp. Because these are the main basis of our scrub and exfoliating ingredients. Of course, you should add the same amount of sugar to prepare your scrub ingredients. After mixing the sugar with the rest of the ingredients, mix all the ingredients with a blender. Congratulations, your scrub ingredients are ready. I can confidently say that with 3 continuous uses, your eczema and psoriasis will be cured from the ground up. Words cannot describe the regeneration and exfoliation of this scrub. It really works wonders. Please write your opinion in the comments after using this scrub. This is the magic oil of immortality for young skin. You fill it in the special containers that you have considered, and the point is, you must use it continuously. If you apply this oil to clean skin every night, your skin will never age again. You understand that is, over time, your skin does not age, but rather it goes backwards, it becomes younger. Just use it all the time. Old Japanese women, this was their youth trick that they did not reveal, and the whole world was wondering how old they really were. My friends, I put a lot of energy into recording a video for you and preparing its subtitles for broadcasting. You, my audience, are doing everyone a great favor by putting your heart and releasing the video to people whose self-confidence you give them by introducing them to you. And by subscribing to the channel, help it grow and become more visible. I hope God bless you and that life is as you wish.